We'll talk about the conspiracy theory in just a bit, but first, a question on the law and order. Arpit Shukla is a special DGP of law and order in the Punjab police. He's joining us on the broadcast. Sir, thank you very much for your time here on Mirana. Can I start by asking you one very simple question? Will you consider the events that have happened today at the Golden Temple a security lapse, an intelligence lapse?
Well, first of all, I'll put things straight. At 9:30 a.m. in the morning, when Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal was doing his seva on the front gate of Harmandir Sahib, this accused Narayan Chauda, he appeared from the crowd and he took out his pistol and tried to fire at Mr. Sukhbir Singh Badal. Immediately, our three police personnel, ASI Rashpal Singh, ASI Jasveer Singh and ASI Parminder Singh, who were in close proximity, they responded and immediately overpowered the accused, because of which this mishap was averted. And it was because of their swift response that we could save the day today. As far as intelligence is concerned, we had some information, and because of which heavy force was deployed in and around Harmandir Sahib in civil clothes. One AIG, two SPs, two DSPs, and about 175 police personnel were deployed in and around Harmandir Sahib today. And I would say it is, as you are looking at it, there is another aspect that it was averted because of the good work done by our police personnel.
Okay, so then here is the next question. Narayan Singh Chora was spotted apparently doing a recce yesterday as well. Given that he's a man with a known criminal record, a terror record, not just any criminal record, why was he simply not taken into preventive custody if you already had the intelligence and had deployed all that force?
I get to receive information which says that he was spotted yesterday. Number two, if you have been to Golden Temple, Harmandir Sahib, thousands of pilgrims, they visit Harmandir Sahib every day. And because of that information only, this huge deployment was made today. It was not specifically for Narayan Chauda, but we were anticipating some trouble by some groups. So there's absolutely, you can't say that it was failure of intelligence.
So, is there any particular logistical challenge when it comes to securing the Golden Temple by the police? Because all the policemen that you're talking about and the ones we saw giving sound bites in the afternoon as well were all in plain clothes. And inside, inside the Golden Temple, I've never spotted a police person in uniform. Is there a bit of a complexity there?
First of all, I'll clarify that the police does not enter Golden Temple. We do make our deployment. Our personnel are there to ensure that there is no law and order situation inside the temple. But then there is no police deployment as such inside the temple in uniform. Number two, the number of devotees which throng the temple on daily basis is in thousands, sometimes in lakhs also, every day. And there is a special protection force of SGPC, which does the screening and keeps an eye on all the visitors. So, therefore, we have our deployment outside the temple, and this incident also took place outside the temple on the front gate.
But then why wasn't the gun detected on this man before he could even fire it?
No, he had concealed it, and in fact, it is when people are there in thousands, it's at times not humanly possible to screen each and every person. But then the boys were alert and they reacted to the situation.
So my final question to you is this: there are many people who are, who are raising legitimate questions. This is the holiest shrine for the Sikhs. The man in question is someone who served as a ex-deputy chief minister of the state. Is there now a serious question on law and order in the state? Is there a legitimate fear of the state slipping back into the dark days of the 1980s?
It is premature to say all these things. We have apprehended Narayan Joda. He is being interrogated and investigations are going on. And we are yet to establish whether he was a lone wolf or there was a bigger conspiracy by other countries or other organizations. Once these facts come to light, we will definitely share with you. But as of now, I can tell you, there is no cause of panic in the state. Law and order is absolutely under control.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir, for joining us on the broadcast and taking our questions. Also putting some facts in front of our viewers.